This is the project demonstration for self-driving car. So this project involved multiple modules, like it has a self-driving car automation simulation, as well as it has a lane detection simulation, steering wheel automation, and it also detect the distance between our vehicle and another vehicles, and if it is distance is less than 10 feet or 10-meter, then it will play alert, so that a driver will get alert and will get notified and drive safely. As well as it has one more module, drowsiness detection. So it also detect the drowsiness of driver, and if driver found in drowsy state, then it will play alert. And if driver didn't wake up at a certain moment, like after 10 seconds or something, then it will send a emergency alert to the family member. So let's run the project. To run the project, you just have to open the project into the VS Code, and then you can go to terminal and then new terminal, and then you can type this command, python home.py, and it will get up, okay, like this. So it has two, basically two input. We have you implemented with two input source, like whether we can do with the image as well as we can do with videos. So first we'll go with image. So when you click to image, it will ask for the input image. Then you can, I have given you some test videos and images in the test video folder, so you can choose from here. As well as if you want to provide your own, you can also do the same. Okay, so I think I have uh, chosen wrong file. Instead of image, I think chooses the video file. So let's choose image. So basically it take time to process the image and video, as depending on your laptop performance. If you have good laptop system, then it will, yeah, execute quickly. So as you can see, this is the output for lane detection. So as you can see, our system has detected key this is the lane, and it has drawn as a green part. As well as it has given a steering wheel simulation key. We should keep steering as a straight, right? And similarly, here is the final output, in which we are detecting the other vehicles, as well as we are identifying the distance. As we can see, distance is around under 15 feet, so it is giving alert. But if it is under 10, then it will give as a high alert. Okay, in the video I will demonstrate. So this is the image, so it will not play a alert sound. So let's pass some video. So in the video will be the also same output. Just the only thing, it will start the your front camera as well, so that it will detect the drowsiness. Okay. So let's pass some video like this one. You can pass your own as well. Okay. So as you can see, uh, it has open multiple windows. So you can do separation like this. You can arrange it properly. Okay, you can place the final output in the right side, and this video feed is the left side. As of now, you can see key, this is the endogenous feed. Okay, so if I close my eyes, then it will take it as a drowsiness. Okay, just like this. As of now, I'm wearing glasses, so that's why it is not detecting properly. But if you put in proper angle, and if you close your eyes, it will detect. Okay, just like I'm sometime detecting. So it will detect. Okay, you can, it has the threshold value, so we can, like we can adjust the threshold value. So as you can see, the video was very short, so that's why it got over. Okay, you can pass some other videos as well. Okay, you can, I have given you some random videos. Okay, you can also provide upload your own. Okay, I suggest keep a laptop with a good processor, good camera. Okay, So in this video you can see, and this is the lane output. Okay, and this is the final output, and this is the steering angle. So as you can see, steering is getting moved, right? As lane is getting changed, it is moving the steering, so that user will like it is simulating key our car is uh, driving with this angle, like that. Okay, similarly, as of now there is no object or no vehicle is there, so it is not detecting. So yeah, so this is the demonstration for the uh, your project. Okay, do let me know in case any doubt or any issue. Okay, and as a technology part, we have used Python language, YOLO algorithm, and OpenCV library, and multiple technical utilities are there. I will let you know in other videos. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.